Good morning, students. I hope you have very well and you have done all your work till chapter 3 in your English grammar copy. Now today I am going to explain the chapter 4. It is articles. Okay? Open page number 35. Now warm up. Riddhi asked Sandhya some riddles. Do you know their answer? What goes around the world but stays in a corner? Okay, it is stamp. Okay, you can see stamp when there is a letter, the stamp is pasted here. Okay, it is in corner, but when we have not put the stamp, our letter has not sent to anywhere, so it is stamp. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? A clock. Okay, a clock has a face. You can see front of the clock. What has an eye but cannot see? A needle. A needle has an eye. You can see when your mama used the needle, there is a hole back to the needle where mama put the thread. Okay, so it is called eye. Now the answer are a stamp, a clock, a needle. In the above questions, the words in color are articles. We have learnt about using a and the in previous classes. You have also learned about where we use a and the. Okay, so the, a and are called articles. Now let's start. Articles. We use and before words that begins with vowels. Okay, we also know that where we use and before the vowel sound words. It is a, e, I, o, u. When the words starting with a, e, I, o, u and sounds a, e, I, o, u, we put an ant, an elephant, an igloo, an otter, an umbrella. Okay, and is also used before words that begins with a vowel sound. Okay, it used before the vowels and vowel sounds. Meeta waited for an hour at the bus stop. Here you can see that H is here, but the pronouns of this word is R. Okay, so H is silent here, so how we pronounce this word? R. So we use and before this word. Okay, now we use a before words that begins with consonant, where we use the word a before the consonant word. I saw a penguin in the park. A mountain is huge. We use a or an when we talk about one animal, place or things. We do not use a or an before plural nouns. Okay, we use one a and an before one person, place, animals or things. Okay, but if the words are plural, we cannot use a or an. Mihir saw a giraffes in the zoo. Here giraffes, more than one giraffe, so we cannot use a before this word. Now we do not use a or an before names of things we cannot count. Okay, the things that we cannot count, we cannot use the word a or and. Okay, like there is a milk in the jar. Milk, we cannot count the milk. Sugar, we cannot count the sugar. Water, we cannot count the water. Petroleum, we cannot count the petroleum. So we should not use a or an before that words. A and an are called articles. Okay, a and the are also articles. Now let's see the exercise where of a and an. Number 1 has already done. Number 2, do you know how to use a computer? Would you like an orange? I took a taxi to go to Lajpat Nagar. Bela stood and Sud is an engineer. Sujata saw an accident on the road. Shreja works in a hospital. That is Ashwini. He is a police officer. This is Vola. He is a plumber. Please boil an egg before me. Mr. Saini is a an English teacher. Okay, so this exercise is your CW. Do fill it in your book. Next one, fill in the blanks with a or an. Put a cross where you cannot use a or an before the word. Okay, beers we cannot use. Star, okay, we use a. X, no, because it is plural. Water, no, because we cannot count the water. Ear, yes. Wall, a. Glass, a. Books, cross. Apples, also cross, because both are plural words. Sugar, we cannot count sugar. Now we use the before the names of famous building, where we use the before famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Jama Masjid, mountains ranges, the Rockies, the Himalayas. Next, holy books, the Gita, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib. Newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Oceans, the Atlantic Ocean. Seas, the Bay of Bengal. Rivers, the Nile, the Ganga. Trains, the Shatabdi, the Rajdhani. Okay, so in these words we use the. Now let's see the or before something of which there is one. The moon, the sky, the earth, the world. Okay, some natural things we use the. Okay, or universal items. Now fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Okay, first one the, second one an, a, the, an, eighth an, ninth a, 10th an, the, a boy, the Indus, an umbrella, the Bible. Okay, so put this also as CW. Now your homework is fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. You put a and the of your own. Okay, this is your exercise as homework. Now I hope you understand where we use a, and the. That's it for today. Tomorrow I will give you the definition of articles. Okay, and to do some exercise in your copy. That's it for today. Have a nice day.